This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories. In artificial intelligence news, yet another thing parents need to be worried about: AI voice cloning. In a recent virtual abduction from a cyber bad actor, the mother of a 15-year-old girl was called and spoofed using her daughter's own voice to announce her abduction, followed by, "I've got your daughter." Quickly thinking, the mom texted her husband to check on the location of their daughter, who was safe. The FBI is investigating this and several other instances. Eugenia Kuda founded Replica, a U.S. chatbot app that offers users an AI companion who cares, always there to listen and talk, and always on your side. Launched in 2017, it now has more than 2 million active users. Each chatbot has a replica unique to them. As the AI learns from their conversations, users can also design their own cartoon avatar for their chatbot. NVIDIA and Getty Images collaborate on a generative AI. The companies aim to develop 2 generative AI models using NVIDIA Picasso, part of the new NVIDIA AI Foundation's cloud services. Users could employ the models to create custom image or video in seconds simply by typing in a concept. Joint effort aims to customize text-to-image and text-to-video foundational models to spawn stunning visuals using fully licensed visual context. In ubiquitous computing news, is COBOL finally dead? GFT and CloudFrame are joining forces to help organizations move their COBOL programs to more efficient platforms. COBOL was developed in 1959 as one of the first multi-vendor supported languages for mainframe business users. It has become increasingly expensive to debug and maintain COBOL systems due to the lack of programmers that still work with COBOL. Large language models are all the rage, with ChatGPT leading the way. This is only good for cloud service providers, as LLMs require large amounts of computing and data storage for deployment and development. Not to be left behind, cloud service providers Azure, AWS, and Google have all announced their own LLMs solutions to compete with this new battlefield of cloud dominance. Let's ask ChatGPT who the winner will be. Google has thrown its hat in the ring of confidential computing with a new offering provided complete privacy of sensitive data by encrypting data at rest, in transit, and now in use. Azure and AWS have similar product offerings that provide confidential computing to public and private sector customers. In cybersecurity news, an interesting DDoS attack on NPM. Threat actors are inundating NPM, an open source package repository for Node.js, by creating malicious websites and publishing empty packages with links to malicious websites to take advantage of the ecosystem's good reputation on search engines. Over 1.4 million bogus packages were uploaded. Over 1 million WordPress sites are estimated to have been affected by an ongoing campaign to deploy Balada injector malware. The attacks are known to play out in waves once every few weeks. The attacks redirect random subdomains to various scam sites, including websites with fake technical support. The best way to combat this is to update your plugins on your WordPress sites. An Iranian nation-state group, Muddy Water, has been carrying out destructive attacks on hybrid cloud environments under the guise of ransomware operations. The threat actors are masquerading as a standard ransomware campaign, but are essentially destroying and disrupting critical IT operations. Findings have shown that Muddy Water has collaborated with Dev 1084 to pull off these attacks. That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and do something wonderful.